What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today we're on the 636. We're headed to dinner-ish. It's super cloudy and rainy, but it's Florida summer, so we're gonna make the best of it, and we're gonna go find some mac and cheese because that's what the homies are feeling. So let's do it. So one thing that I don't think gets talked about enough is the pressure on new riders to get a bike that's outside their skill level. Veteran riders, other people that don't even ride, will encourage people to not start on something that would be or could be considered a beginner bike for the simple fact that they think that the person will get bored or that they will regret getting a smaller CC bike, right? There's too much emphasis on what the bike is and not enough emphasis on the skills that are needed to operate a motorcycle on the street. Being on a bike is more than going fast in a straight line. I'm sorry, that is just the truth. There's more to it than holding on and just going as fast as you can straight. New riders should not be on bikes that are not forgiving. You do not have the muscle memory, you do not have the skills, you do not have the traffic wherewithal to operate the machine safely and keep yourself safe. We need to normalize telling people that it's okay to start on a bike that makes sense for them, that they can be comfortable on. Look at the bikes is out. I rushed over here and now we just sitting.
What up, what up?
Hey, how many stunts can you do?
About half of one.
We are going to ride all the way from here to Tampa just to get some mac and cheese. I don't know if I agree with this one. See, the problem is a lot of the times when you're riding in overcast like this, you can't really tell if you're riding into a rainstorm or not. And it kind of looks like we got some rain up there, but then again, it kind of just like looks hazy all over. So we're gonna keep going and just hope that we're not about to get dunked on. Yep. Oh, watch this guy, watch this guy. Wildin'. Got a couple more blocks. And by a couple more blocks, I mean we got like 5 miles, bro.
1 hour later.
All right, what seems like 6 hours later, we're almost there.
1 eternity later.
All right, 17 years later, we have arrived at our destination. Crazy. Man, after your first road trip, how are you feeling?
I'm your first road trip in a while.
My friend, we left this morning, Tampa, at 6 a.m. We've now arrived in San Diego, California. How do you feel?
I'm dehydrated. I need some food.
Yeah. How are you? Can I do the nachos?
You want that with chicken, brisket, or pork?
Chicken, please.
Can I get an egg?
Jack. Chicken nachos. Mac and cheese. There was some fries under there.
It was.
Damn.
Got gone.
got gone. We ate it quick. We just came to Armature Works.
Yep.
We ate at Butcher and Barbecue.
Yep.
I need a rating, 1 to 5, right now.
The fries was hitting, so I'm gonna give it about a 4.
He gave it a 4. Where we at?
The mac and cheese?
Yeah.
I give it a 3.
3 out of 5. All right. So I had nachos. You had fries. She had mac and cheese with some brisket. The nachos were decent. I give them a 3. You know what? I'm gonna give the restaurant and the place a 3 out of 5 overall, because we got to get the rating system. Price a little expensive. It's at a hot spot in Tampa, which means that you got, you know, yeah, I mean, we're going 3 out of 5. Atmosphere is pretty cool. You can buy the water, you know, but you know what I will say? It was not worth an 1.5-hour ride. Butcher and barbecue at Armature Works in Tampa, and as you heard, you know, we got about a 3 out of 5 that we're given, just based on the price and the food quality and atmosphere. It's worth a stop if you're here, you know, but I wouldn't go out of my way, you know. So that's where we're at. But I do appreciate you being here. Thank you for listening and watching and hanging out with me on another weekly vlog where we found a place to eat. We had a good time doing it, and we're going to try to avoid the rain going back. So if you like this kind of stuff, please feel free to hit the thumbs up, the share, the bell, the subscribe, do all the things that help me out. And until next time, be safe.